Understanding Warm-Up Band, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of music and language to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, warm-up band. If you've ever been to a concert or are just a music enthusiast, you might have come across this term. Let's explore what it means together. The term, warm-up band, refers to a musical act that performs before the main act at a concert. Their role is crucial. They set the stage for the headlining performer, getting the audience excited and in the right mood for the main event. Think of them as the appetizer before the main course in a meal. Warm-up bands are often less well-known or emerging artists. Playing as a warm-up band is an excellent opportunity for them to gain exposure and showcase their talent to new audiences. It's a symbiotic relationship where both the warm-up and the main act benefit from each other's presence. Why do we use the term warm-up in this context? It's a metaphorical use of the term, which in physical activities means to prepare the body for strenuous exercise. Similarly, a warm-up band prepares the audience's mood and energy levels for the main performance. They are the spark that lights the fire of excitement for the event. We hope this explanation has shed some light on the interesting phrase, warm-up band. Next time you attend a concert, you'll not only enjoy the music but also appreciate the vital role these bands play in your overall experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content.